I would highly recommend Garrow House to any student, starting from the room space, the safety, the staff, the location.
There's loads of space, it's really clean, staff are really friendly, and I think it's just a really nice place to live. There are several room types to choose from. My room is really spacious. All the rooms here are really big in comparison to other student accommodations I've seen. In my room I have a desk.
I've got lots of storage room, wardrobe is big enough. I also got a balcony. There's Wi-Fi throughout the building. It's fast enough to do my uni work.
Having an ensuite is brilliant because I only have to deal with my own mess. It's right next to my bed, so I can just roll out of bed, get in the shower and run off to my lectures. It's brilliant.
My kitchen is really useful because I don't have to share it with anyone else. I can make my own food. I also have my oven, which I can make lasagnas and pizza that I love. Whenever I get bored, I can just pop down the common room where I can find my friends, meet new people.
And you've got a TV, a pool table, loads of really cool chairs and comfy sofas. It's just a really nice place to just sit and chill out in between studying or like after a night out.
And there's the courtyard where I can just socialize.
We've got a laundrette, which is at the bottom of the building, which is really useful because you don't have to go off site to do your laundry. You just go downstairs in the lift. I feel really safe living here at Garrow House. We've got security 24 hours. There's also the CCTV, and then there's also the fact that we all have our own key fobs, so you know that you're the only person that's going to be able to get into your room.
Having a 24/7 staff downstairs is amazing because any emergency situation, I can just go down to them.
If you order something online, you don't have to sit in and wait for it. It just gets delivered to reception, and then you can pick it up whenever you go past.
Having all the bills included is really nice because I just pay one bill basically.
The location of Garrow House is really good because you've got Notting Hill's quite close. Westminster you can get to on the bus within 20 minutes. You've also got the Communal, which is really nice. And just across the bridge you've got loads of little shops, so if you ever run out of a pint of milk, then you just pop across and get it over there.
There's a few tube stations around. The closest is a 10-minute walk, and once you get there you can just get anywhere in London. I would highly recommend Garrow House to other students.
It's really spacious, really clean, the staff are really friendly, and it's just a really brilliant place to live.